Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Fortnite error ESP-DIST-001 on your Nintendo Switch. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here to the settings on your Nintendo Switch, and then I want you to come in the left hand panel and just scroll down until you see system. I want you to tap on that and then come here and choose this option right here. Once you scroll down, it says formatting options. Okay, I want you to choose formatting options. Then if you have parental controls, enter your PIN. And after you're done with that, you'll see the first option right here that says clear cache. Okay, I want you to click OK. And then I want you to click here on close. And it will ask you for which user you want to format this data. Just select your user and press OK. And then just come here and click on reset. So tap reset. Then once your reset is complete, what I want you to do is just restart your Nintendo Switch. Hold the power button for about 3 seconds. And then I want you to go ahead and restart this. So here under power options, you should see restart. Go ahead and restart. And once you're done with that, it will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.